Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare puff puff. Yes guys, some of you have been asking me to upload this video. The truth of the matter is that I've already uploaded this video before, because I do a little blog on it before uploading the video. Most of you did not know that I have this video of puff puff, so I just take my time to make another video guys. Yes, firstly, what I have here is my flour. Yeah, I have my flour here. This is 1 kilo of flour, and yeah, I'll be adding my yeast. Yeah, I'm using 2 sachets. This one is 5 grams, so yeah, I'll be using that 2 sachets of the yeast. I'll just go ahead and turn it on the flour like so, and yeah, I'll be adding. Secondly, I'll be adding my sugar. Yeah, for the sugar guys, you can add sugar the way you want your puff puff to be taste. This one is salt. You just need a little bit of salt, not too much guys, just little bit like so, just for the taste. Yes, you add a little bit of salt like so, and after adding the salt, you just go ahead and mix all together guys. You have to mix it very well. After finishing mixing, you take a bowl of water. This one is hot water guys, not too much hot, not too much cold, just liquid warm, I can say. Yes guys, so you just turn the water on it like so guys. Yes guys, and after turning the water, you just go ahead and mix it. In this particular moment guys, you have to mix it very well. You will mix it for like 3 minutes guys, because me, I like my puff puff to be very smooth, you know. Yeah, you can add little by little of water. Don't just add water once, you add it little by little, and after you just mix, you mix it very well. This is after 3 minutes after I finish mixing it guys. You see your puff puff will look like this, not too much light, not too much thick guys. That is how it's supposed to be. Yes, so that is how it is. I'll finish mixing it. So what I'll be doing, I'll just go ahead and wash my hand, and after grab my foil paper, that aluminum paper, just to cover it up. I put it aside for like 30 minutes to 40 minutes, the way you want your flour to rise. So you leave it, if you like, you can leave it for 30 minutes. If you want, you can leave it for 30 minutes. If you want, you can leave it for 20 minutes guys, or 40 minutes. But me, I prefer, so for me, I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. Yes guys, so after 30 minutes, I'll place my pot on the fire guys. You need pot for this, you don't need fry pan, because you want the oil to be deep, so that when you are putting your puff puff, it will not be flat. Yeah, that's why you need this pot. So I'm going to be pouring my vegetable oil on it, and after this is after 30 minutes for the flour. You see the way it rises guys. If you want it to be rise more than this, you can leave it for as long as you want, but this is just after 30 minutes guys. So I'm just going to start cutting it. I leave this ground oil to hot a bit before started cutting the flour on it a bit. Yes guys, so that is how it is. You cut it to your desired size. So yeah, how I do the one pot, then and after I will just go off camera to finish the flour. After I finish frying all the flour, I will just show you the end. Yes guys, that is it. And when you are cutting the flour on the pot, don't forget guys, you have to keep on turning it, because you don't want one side to get well cooked and the other side is not well cooked. So you turn it a bit, you leave it a bit, you turn it. So you just keep on checking on the puff puff, guys. The puff puff need attention when frying it. You not just put it and leave it, you have to keep on turning and turning and turning and turning for the whole side to get cooked. Yes guys, that is it. And yeah, when the puff puff is getting ready, you can see the color is getting changed. Yes, when the color is changed, you know that your puff puff is ready. You see guys, the color have changed and you know that your puff puff is so ready, guys. Yeah, I fry it for like 2 minutes. You see, because frying it you have to use a low heat. If you use the high heat, inside your puff puff will not be cooked. So when you use the low heat, just like the way I did it, every part of the puff puff will be cooked, in and out will be cooked. So that's why it's very advisable to cook it, to fry it with the low heat. Yes guys, yeah, I'll just go ahead and fry the remaining ones and I'll come back and show you the final. Yes guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, share, like and comment. Until I come your way next time guys, stay blessed and bye bye.